I just made this really cute birthday card to basically print out anytime it is a friend's or family member's birthday. And so I started off in Procreate and basically just got inspiration from Pinterest. And overall, this project didn't take that long. It only took about an hour and a half, and most of that time was spent drawing. So if I had to do this again, it would probably only take 20 minutes, and that's super helpful whenever you're in a rush. So I exported my image from Procreate, and I opened up Inkscape, I don't know if I said that right, onto my Mac, and then I uploaded the picture, resized it, and then I right-clicked and pressed Trace Bitmap. That will open up a window on the side, and you want to make sure that it's on brightness cutoff before toggling with the slides and selecting the setting that works for you. And there it is. I just selected the one that was generated by Inkscape, and that is the piece that I am going to keep. And it looks a little bit different from my original image, so that's fine though. And then I'm gonna go ahead and save that as a SVG file, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open that up on Cricut's machine or their app software, and then I went ahead and resized it to the size of the card that I am printing this on. Make sure that you set this to a pen. And at this point, it will look a little bit weird. Cricut, for whatever reason, decides to generate lines, the pen lines around the art, and doesn't really do any fill, so that's okay. You're gonna go ahead and press effects and offset, and then I like to set it at 0.125 just because I noticed that 0.25 is a little too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and then it generates outlines for the inside of the drawing as well. So I'm going into that layer and removing the interior pieces so that it just cuts on the outside of the outline and not the outline on the inside of the drawing. So the next important step is to select both the drawing and the basic cut, and making sure to attach the two together so that when you finally go to make it, it will generate together and draw and then cut within one go. Okay, so then go ahead and just put whatever paper you're using on your Cricut Joy grip, and excuse mine's a little bit dirty. Now let's set up our Cricut Joy. I went ahead and used laser copy paper for the material and loaded up the pen first. Alright, now my Cricut Joy is off to the races. And then the machine will tell you to switch over to the blade, and then I just swap that out. Pressed go, and the cut was relatively fast as well. It only took less than like a minute, maybe even 40 minutes. So there it goes. I really wanted to work through this project fast, so I just took the outline of the paper that the Cricut cut out, and I used that as like a palette and a brush, and just really stuck it on there. Really make sure to take your time to center it and just press down really hard. I ended up using a book to press it in between and just make sure that there is no glue seeping out before you place it in the book, because you don't want this to be stuck in between the book and potentially ruin your book as well. So this is the final result. I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to use this design over and over for my friends and family.